You built a real store, with real products people want, but the dashboard you trust to tell you what is working is going blind. Third-party cookies are mostly gone, ad blockers keep climbing, and browser privacy rules cut off the old tracking pixel before it ever fires. So your reports undercount sales. You turn off ads that actually work, and you scale the ones that do not. In this video I show you how I rebuild measurement for 2026, with server-side tracking, the conversions API, clean consent, and deduplication. The first fix is moving your tracking to the server. A browser pixel sits in the Visitors tab, where ad blockers, privacy settings, and slow connections kill a large share of events before they send. A server-side setup records the event on your own infrastructure first, then forwards it. That single change can recover a meaningful slice of conversions the browser was dropping, often in the range of 10 to 15% or more. The data is more accurate and more stable, which means the decisions you make on top of it finally rest on solid ground. The second fix is the conversions API. Instead of relying on a pixel in the browser to tell Meta or Google a sale happened, your server sends that event directly to the ad platform. You match it using hashed first-party data like email and order details, so the platform can credit the right campaign even when the pixel failed. This matters because the ad algorithm optimizes on the signal you feed it. Feed it half the conversions and it bids blind. Feed it clean, complete data and it finds more buyers at a lower cost per result. The third fix is consent, and it is not optional in 2026. Privacy rules in many regions require a clear choice before you collect data, and getting it wrong risks fines and broken trust. The good news is that doing it properly does not blind you. Consent mode lets the platform model the behavior of visitors who decline, so you keep a reliable picture without violating anyone's choice. Set the banner to ask plainly, fire tags only after consent, and let modeling fill the gap. Privacy and accurate measurement are not enemies once the plumbing is built right. The fourth fix is the one people forget once they send events from both the browser and the server. Without care, the same purchase gets counted twice, and inflated numbers are as dangerous as missing ones. The fix is a shared event ID on every event, so the platform recognizes the browser and server copies as one sale and keeps a single record. Then validate the whole setup with the platform's testing tools before trusting a single report. Send a few real test orders. Confirm each one lands once with the right value. Clean, deduplicated data is the entire point of this rebuild. Here is why this cannot wait. Every decision after the data inherits its errors. If your tracking undercounts by even 20%, you are judging campaigns, products, and pages on a lie, and you will cut winners while feeding losers. Rebuilding measurement is not glamorous, but it is the highest impact thing you can fix before spending another dollar on ads. Get the numbers right, and every choice after them gets sharper. The stores that fixed this early already buy traffic cheaper than the ones still guessing. So here is how I can help. If you want to know how much your current setup is missing and where, I run a 72-hour audit for $497 and show you the gaps event by event. If you want me to rebuild it with server-side tracking, the conversions API, clean consent, and deduplication, I do that in a 14-day sprint that starts at $3,500. Subscribe, because next week I take a real store with broken tracking and make every sale countable again.